Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Look no further than the ASUS TUF Gaming X870-PLUS Wi-Fi AMD AEMP X870 ATX motherboard. This powerful tool is designed to handle even the most demanding games and applications, with a durable construction that can withstand the rigors of intense use. With its advanced power solution, you can feel the smooth and stable power delivery, like a whispered promise of performance, thanks to the 16+2+1, 80 ASBS power stages and 8-layer PCB. This board is a favorite among gamers and tech enthusiasts, and it's easy to see why it's well-reviewed and popular, with many customers praising its performance and features. The ASUS-exclusive AI Overclocking and AI cooling too make it easy to get the most out of your system, with a simple and intuitive interface that lets you focus on what matters most, playing your favorite games. When you're in the heat of the action, the last thing you want to worry about is your system overheating or crashing, but with the ProCool connectors and alloy chokes, you can trust that your system will stay cool and stable, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Whether you're playing fast-paced first-person shooters or complex strategy games, this motherboard has the power and connectivity you need to stay ahead of the competition. With its enhanced power solution and intelligent control, this motherboard is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their gaming experience to the next level. So why settle for an inferior system when you can have the best? Upgrade to the ASUS TUF Gaming X870-PLUS Wi-Fi AMD AEMP X870 ATX motherboard today and discover a whole new world of gaming possibilities. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.